So when you place an order with us for your FlexiPlanter unit, you can look forward to a package like this coming through the post. This is for a single unit. Obviously for multiples they're all packaged differently in boxes. On here you've got a QR code which will give you instructions on how to install, and you can see all of our helpful videos that we put up there. But also it will give you the information about where the plastic was collected for this individual unit, so that you can see the carbon footprint and know what places you're getting these bits of plastic from. So opening up the packaging, inside we have a whole selection of anything you might need, all the bits and pieces to fit together the different units. So that's these are all irrigation bits, elbows, clips, dead ends, T-junctions and cotters, and then the hooks that you need for the unit as well. And then inside we have the irrigation pipes and the unit itself. So as you've seen in the other videos, this is fully made of recycled plastic. We've got the planting pockets at the front, which neatly fit a P9 size or a small plant pot size. At the back, this weatherproofing shield that will protect the wall and stop any damp going through. Flipping it back round again. Hooks at the top, the loops at the top that go onto the hooks. And these Velcro attachments that allow you to attach the irrigation pipe along this way. And then Velcro at the bottom that allows you to attach to other units seamlessly, and you can create any shape you need with all of the different varieties of sizes and shapes that we have available. On here you also have the instructions, and it's simply as easy as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if you need any further help, have a look at our videos online. So we'll start by putting the hooks in the wall. You also get supplied with the wall plugs for the wall, but luckily we've got some in the wall already. So these guys will just screw in like this, nice and easy. We have 4 hooks up at the top. So this guy's been rolled up a bit, so we're just going to unbend him a bit. And then simply put the loops onto the hooks. So, that is the unit there ready. Next we're going to attach the irrigation. So at the top you have this unit with the sirens, have this unit with the sprayers that allow you to adjust the flow rate for different plants, and then a feeder pipe that comes along this way, and then they'll simply slot together with an L shape. And then here, because we're just going to use the one, the water will be fed up from the bottom, and then here we'll just close it off with a stop. So you can see that's blocked off at the end. Oops. There you go, lots of fingers. And this one just slots in here. And then we attach with these clips. This just stops anything escaping if you've got abnormally strong water pressure at home. One more clip. Just like that. And then Velcro loops. Attach like this. Now, hopefully we're making this look very easy, because it is. The whole system is designed so that you can just put things together at home really easily without any professional help, just from a little bit of simple guidance online. And know that not only are you doing something good for the planet by removing plastic from beaches, but also by greening up the space. Set up on the wall, you can then attach the unit's irrigation system to your irrigation feed system. That's a bit stiff. Your irrigation feed system, which you can also buy through us separately. So you then have a pipe that will lead to an irrigation unit, just like this on the box. So here you go. This would be the pipe feed coming out from the bottom here, and that will link over to your irrigation system. So here we are with our first unit set up on the wall, and if you were to add on another unit, I'll just show you here with this one. This different size, different shape, but there's a whole variety available. The Velcro at the top here will attach to the Velcro on the underside, and they just come like this. So you can attach it to the bottom, you can attach to the side, obviously we'd hook this on here as well. The top, or I'll just show you if we were going to attach it to the bottom here, how we might adjust the irrigation setup. So this unit attached here would be clipped onto the wall. If we then wanted to feed another pipe across here for the irrigation feeder, we'd simply sub out this section for this section, and then you'd have more sprayers just as above here, and then another piece of feed pipe connecting all the bits together. And again, you know, if you were going to have a unit here, here and here, then you would use a four-way junction rather than a T.